Alright, here's a Rheem classic heat pump running in cool mode. This is at my mom's friend's cousin's house. It's a 2019 2.5 ton. I mean, sorry, 2 ton. And this place is full of them. Yeah, I'm not sure if I'm gonna get a start up and shut down, but yeah, here this is. So, yep. Here's another one right across from that one over there. Yeah, they're all the same thing. The RP15s, 15 SEER units. Yeah, they are all over the place. Here's another one running. Another one right there. And one over there. And here we are back to this one. So, yep, figured I'd film just a couple. I'm not going to film all of them because they're all basically the same thing, so thanks for watching.